It works. I think I forgot to tell you, K-Truck is done. This is how it happened.
How you like it? Like zip ties?
Zip ties and chewing gum.
Zip ties and chewing gum?
Yeah.
Alright. I got you.
Let's see what I could do with this.
Yes, I put a DTM. You see DTM?
Yes, you did.
I had some parts flown in overnight from Japan. I think it's good now. Alright, it's time for the fuel cell. I'm gonna finish mounting it, check the fuel pumps, wire them in, and then figure out a way to fill it, because it's underneath the bed and there's really no way to fill it right now. So I'm gonna start with that today. This is made for something that makes about 1,000 horsepower. We are not gonna make 1,000 horsepower. So it has 3 pumps inside there. I'm only gonna use the one, but it needs the lift pump to fill the can. So I'm gonna have to wire it in. We're only going to use one of the fuel pumps that are in here, but I made 3 connectors anyway. The reason for that is in case pump number 1 goes bad, you simply disconnect pump 1, you plug in pump number 2. If that one goes bad, you just plug in pump number 3. That's it.
What's going on, fellow Hoonigan folk? We're giving away Boomhauer, my C10 that you've seen all over the channel ripping burnouts. Here's how you enter. Every single dollar that you spend at Hoonigan.com or Carcane Supply, we're selling car parts now, gets you 1 entry. 1 entry per dollar. But hurry up, this whole thing ends August 31st. Get in, get down, and get rowdy, because Boomhauer could be yours.
Build a catch can, 3-inch tubing, filter, real basic, real easy, real quick. And then I'm gonna take all these stainless tubing here and build an exhaust. And done. Not bad. Real quick, real easy, real simple. I made a little tab, 2 fittings. All right, so now what we're gonna do is oil the filter, plumb it, and then move on. Starting to look like something. Let me show you something. Really cool stuff. Mufflers. These are actually motorcycle mufflers. I first saw them on one of Zach's bikes over at the shop, and I really like the shape of them. And I think they look really good hanging out the side of the truck. They're really good quality. Straight through. Ooh, it's gonna be loud. So here's the idea for the exhaust. Really easy. 2 tubes come out, going all the way up, over the tranny brace, out right in front of the rear tire, somewhere right around here. Getting there. But I'm gonna put that on hold because this guy showed up. Yo, man, you hiding your face? You wanted somewhere?
What's up, everyone? I'm here to help Suppy today.
Yes,
He's
yes.
doing a really nice job here. But I'm on the phone with him all day. Jamo, how should I do
Oh,
this? Jamo, how should
why
I
you gotta
do
tell
it?
everybody my shit, man?
FaceTime me. Should I make this, that, this way?
Oh.
I'm like, yo, your heat is a little too much. You're using the wrong rod.
Why you gotta tell everybody, man?
I thought they knew.
No, nobody knows. I thought everyone thinks I do all
Yo,
that
you
shit.
said it. You like, yo, don't worry. Everything I'm doing, I'm saying Jamo said this, Jamo said that.
Oh, man. So, in any case, I took the coils back out. We're gonna start with the coils, right?
Yeah, I'm I'm gonna make a little short harness. I'll pin all these. You're gonna make the wires. And
Yeah,
we're gonna
make-
continue on the harness.
All right, good, because I'm gonna start running power wires inside the car.
And I'll be over here. Listen, stay on your side.
Yo, babe, we're gonna put a tape line.
Smell that?
No, don't smell. Yo, we in a small little garage, man.
Yo, you gotta. Look what you showed me. You said I got a filter.
Yo, the filter's kind of dark.
Listen, I'm sucking it in. All right, let's
Let's get to work. You want to YouTube that shit first?
YouTube what?
How to wire coils?
Let me Google it. YouTube it? I'm gonna Google it.
Google that shit. What the hell you zip tying?
I don't know. I taped it so it's starting to come out. And this is gonna be underneath the plate you're making. It's gonna get hot, it's gonna come out. So
Alright.
I zip tie it.
So we done with this coil harness?
The coil harness is done. We just gotta, I left the pins. That's when we've configured the ECU on how we're gonna fire this up. I'll pin these in.
Looks alright.
It's all right. I mean, for, you know, backyard build. Get it? Backyard.
Yeah, we backyard builders now.
Backyard build? We are in the backyard, aren't we?
We are in the yard.
So,
Alright.
what'd you get? How far did you get? Let me see your side. What the hell is that? Damn, Suppy. You did a nice job on this.
You like
wood.
that?
Yeah.
plate looks
What is that, man?
That plate is legit.
Next will be the injector harness. Make the connectors.
And that's it?
Yep, and you brought all these out from the dash, the communication
Yep.
lines, CAN lines. This is a 2-wire communication line. You sure you
I don't
pinned it up?
know. You said run those wires. I ran the wires.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a fluid check maybe tomorrow. Run all the fluids in it,
Yeah,
right? Make
let's
sure
see
there's
all the leaks.
no leaks.
Let's see all the leaks.
There's no leaks.
Let's see all the leaks. All of them.
The exhaust. Let me see how much I can get done in a few hours. Not bad, huh? I give you a wider shot, but the wall's right here. Sticks out a little bit. I bet you guys have never seen a K-truck with a rotary with motorcycle mufflers before, huh? Now I have to weld the flange, but I don't want to make a whole single pass because it's going to turn that into a taco. And like I said before, you don't want to rush through stuff. Let me show you an example. Same header, same guy. That's me rushing, boogered. That's me not rushing, not so boogered. So take your time, don't make boogers. So I'm going to weld, wire, snack, weld, wire, snack.
I have a question for you.
Yes?
Make this,
What are you going to do with it?
make a robot. No more robots. Thanks.
No more robots. I guess I have to call it quits for today. What do you guys think? Should we go and have dinner?
Should we go through that small hole? Oscar, move.
You're gonna run over the dog.
No, I won't watch.
Don't run over Oscar. Everything is really, really close. A little bit more tomorrow and we're ready for the dyno. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. I wanted to start some work. Damn AC just died. I'm gonna die today. Got a battery. Sean shipped out the starter. Thanks, Sean. Got some fluids. Oh yeah, that packaging was legit. Gonna install the header. That's why I went out and got some high temp silicone there. And just cycle some fluids through the car. The next step I'm gonna do is this. This is, I know what this, you guys are thinking. Hey, it looks like a bicycle brake handle. Cause it is. I gotta put that onto the shifter, like this. Why? Because that's how you get a sequential shifter into reverse, right? And neutral. Probably the simplest installation of anything on this damn truck. Okay, cool, pull it. Again? Good job. All right, so this is how the cable was joined. I made those two pieces, some Adele clamps. I left some extra cable just in case I had to service this thing later or I had to change up the design a little bit. All right, cool, pull it.
Gotcha.
There it is, see? Let it go. Pull it again. All right, thanks, Coop. And I'm gonna start adding fluids. I'm gonna start with the coolant, which is just gonna be water and some water wetter, and check all my lines, make sure there's no leaks, and then do the oil, and then do fuel, and hopefully I have no leaks. This is just gonna be water, no antifreeze, but I'm gonna put some water wetter in it because you can't run. It's not a good idea to run these pumps without some sort of antifreeze because it acts like a lubricant. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna hot wire the pump first. Shit. I forgot to cover the heater hose. Forgot the heater hose. Test again. What the hell is that? How am I supposed to fill that? That's an open hole. Yeah, it's a straight hole. There's no thread, nothing. How am I supposed to fill that? Fucking shit. I found 2 leaks. Heater hose that I didn't plug up. I plugged that up really quick. And that, I don't know what the hell that was, but there was like an indication of threads in there, and I shoved the bolt in there with some silicone and it seems to be holding. The other leak I found was in the back, and it was a bad radiator cap. So I'm gonna pick up another cap tomorrow because that one, even when I put it on before, it didn't seem that good, so I'll pick up another one tomorrow. First thing up is the starter, and there goes our first problem. That starter is for an automatic. This is an automatic bell housing. This and this go together. The problem is this is for a standard, and that hole is for the starter, because I know the 5-speed, the starter goes this way. The automatic, the starter goes that way, like this. So it goes in like this. I have to cut this to make this starter work. This is some bullshit. This is the problem. I have to cut a big enough window to clear that gear drive. The hole is cut. More problems. There. That's the oil hole. It blocks it badly. See that right there? And another problem is that it hits that middle plate. The housing is cut. I had to take some here, here. That makes it fit. And the bottom half of that had to be cut off. You see, there used to be a circle, see? Now the housing fits. The oil return line is in. This is why we had to cut the starter. You see that? See how close it is? Modified starter, modified housing. Now I'm gonna run some power to it and see if this thing will crank. That's a good sign. Here we go. It works. I'll see you on the dyno. My back's killing me, but I got a lot done. Get out of here, both of you. I gotta finish up.
Wait, can I do something?
No, bye.